Hey, it's Phil from Philips Dynalite with another video on System Manager, and in this recording we are going to show how to license the software. When you install the software comes with a 28-day trial license, and it allows you to set the software up, get the system operational, work with your client to refine the way that it operates without needing that license. But you should try and get that license early. It can take 24 to 48 hours for us to provide that license for you. So just be aware and try not to be last minute in adding that license. So when you need to license the software, you open the System Manager configuration tool, which is in the Philips Dynalite folder, which was created when you installed the software. There it is. And you go to Request License. It will open up a form and it will auto-populate as much as possible. Try and make as much of the data complete as you can. For sale type, it's either VAP or end user, VAP being VAP or CSI or end user. Don't worry so much about that. For project type, there is a choice. Please try and choose the correct project type. If you have to say other, then please put in the definition what it is. We do from time to time add project types. It just helps us with our metrics to understand how the system is being applied. One field that is useful for us here is the geolocation field. This helps us identify the project should you need to relicense in the future if the PC needs to be replaced. So to get those coordinates, the best way, if I go into Edge here, I've located the project, and if I right click on the pin, I can copy the coordinates there, go back to the form and paste them in. Now the features down the bottom, the Web API and System Dashboard, that allows you to use APIs to integrate, and it also allows you to use the dashboard for visualization of the data. You've also got the OPC UA service. If you want to use OPC UA, you need to choose how many points you're going to use with the OPC UA, because this all obviously changes the license key code that we provide. Save the license file, send it to your Signify rep, your local contact for Signify. They will forward it on to our services team. That will then get a key generated. That will be passed back via your contact to you. Once you've got it, just close the form. You go apply license, click on the license, and then you're done. And that is in perpetuity. So once it's licensed, the software is licensed for the life of the system. That's licensing. Look forward to talking to you soon with more interesting topics, shall we say, on System Manager. Thanks for your time.